Money makes no distinctions. It has no prejudices regarding ethnicity or beliefs and doesn't care about your background or identity. We all have the same resources and opportunities to get rich if we truly desire it. The only person who can hold you back is yourself. If you choose to play without knowing the rules or decide not to follow them, money remains indifferent. The key is understanding the rules and applying them effectively. If you grasp this and implement it in your life, you might become rich quickly. To succeed, we need to visualize wealth until it becomes an irresistible drive attracting prosperity. Simply affirm, "I am rich," and take action with confidence. You could be your family's first millionaire. Throughout my quest for the secret to prosperity, I learned from many who built their fortunes, each with their own style, yet all follow the same rules. Learning to acquire money is like mastering any skill. You don't need to change who you are, just think innovatively. Observing both rich and poor, I discovered the core difference. Rich people think like the wealthy, while poor individuals have a scarcity mindset. Money is symbolic. It can represent freedom or be seen as a burden depending on your perspective. Adopting a wealth-oriented mindset requires viewing money as a tool for achieving dreams rather than a negative force. Step out of your comfort zone, be willing to learn, and remember, wealth starts with mindset. In the workplace, you're paid for your actions, not your identity. Many plan meticulously but fail to act. After years of coaching in finance and the stock market, I can assert that winners take action, learning from their mistakes and creating chain reactions leading to success. The last letters of satisfaction spell action. Just knowing isn't enough. You must act. Many are lazy in their pursuit of wealth, wishing for luck without the dedication to study or adapt. Remember, wealth demands real effort and planning. It doesn't just come from desire. Winners take action, seeing mistakes as learning opportunities, creating momentum that leads to success. If you wish to thrive, start acting, identify areas for improvement, and acquire new skills. Face challenges with your head held high, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every action, even the smallest, brings you one step closer to your goals. Remember, while inertia is the enemy of progress, action is the friend of achievement. Satisfaction comes from the constant practice of trying, failing, correcting, and moving forward. Trade laziness for effort and procrastination for proactivity. After all, true wealth is not just in the achieved goal, but in the journey taken and the lessons learned along the way. Money is like a sport. It's essential to understand the rules of the game, have the right coaches, and dedicate time to improve day by day. Remember that money is not the ultimate solution to problems. If you think a lot of money would solve all your life's problems, you're mistaken. Money is like oil for an engine, allowing gears to function smoothly, but it is not the engine itself. Therefore, it cannot replace personal relationships, health, or family. There is only one person responsible for the quality of your life: you. If you want to succeed, you must take 100% responsibility for what happens to you, including the results you achieve, the quality of your relationships, your physical and mental health, your income, debts, and emotions. In short, all of this is your responsibility. It's not easy. Many of us are used to blaming something or someone for what doesn't work in our lives. You must be aware and convinced that you always had the power to change your life and others. Of course, external factors like economic crises and political changes significantly impact our lives. However, if these factors were so decisive, no one would succeed. Yet thousands of people overcome difficult circumstances by taking full responsibility for their results. If external factors were truly insurmountable, no one would get rich or fulfill their dreams. What differentiates successful people is their perception and reaction to adversities. While some freeze in the face of challenges, Others see them as opportunities for growth and learning. It's a matter of mindset. Throughout your journey, you will encounter countless obstacles. But remember, they are surmountable. Each small step and action contributes to a larger outcome. Taking responsibility means accepting that you and only you control your responses to challenges. Embracing responsibility is central to any effort for change and growth. Life will not always be fair or easy, but how you deal with these situations determines how far you can go. Remember, money is part of the game, but not the whole game. It is an important resource, but it cannot be the only focus. Understanding this is the first step to building a fulfilling life, where wealth is measured by the quality of experiences, relationships, and personal happiness. Money does not change people, it only amplifies what they already are. If you are a kind person, having a lot of money will make you even more admired, as you'll have the capacity to help many others. If you are greedy and selfish, money will amplify those negative traits. I believe you draw closer to God when a part of your money is not for your own benefit, but for people you don't even know. When you give without expecting anything in return, you begin to connect with money in a more meaningful way. Surprisingly, the more you give, the more you receive. It seems paradoxical, but it is a reality. When you give generously, you open space in your life for more good things to come in. Imagine you have a significant amount of money. If you are already a kind and altruistic person, that money will allow you to help more people and make a real difference in many lives. In doing so, you not only improve others' lives, but also enrich your own through satisfaction and a sense of purpose. On the other hand, if you have more selfish tendencies, a large amount of money will only amplify those characteristics, possibly leading to more harmful behaviors and isolating you from those around you. Generosity has a transformative power, not just in the life of the receiver, but also in the life of the giver. When you donate without expecting a return, you create a positive cycle of energy and gratitude that brings benefits back to you. This deep connection with money, where it is not seen merely as a means to acquire material goods, but as a tool for doing good, elevates its use to a higher level. The truth is that the act of giving creates opportunities for receiving more. This may not happen directly or immediately, but this willingness to share creates an atmosphere of abundance. Generous people tend to attract more prosperity and support, as their positive attitude fosters trust and goodwill. Therefore, if you wish to enrich yourself both financially and spiritually, remember to cultivate generosity. Use your resources to make a difference, not just in your life, but in the lives of those in need. The change you want to see in the world starts with you, and money merely amplifies that change, bringing forth what already exists within you. Be a force for good, and see how that resonates in ways you never imagined. Stay away from people with a poor mindset and surround yourself with those with a rich mindset. More than 78% of the world's population has a poor mindset. Now that you know this, the first thing that will happen is that you will start to notice how many poor minds are around you. If you join people with a poor mindset, you will inevitably be influenced by them. On the other hand, surrounding yourself with people with a rich mindset will inspire you to become wealthy. It's that simple. There are certain situations where you need to be assertive, as the only thing you truly have to move forward is your life energy. The first essential step is to recognize the person who drains your energy the most and gently distance yourself from them. God loves you and supports you as you do your part. It's not about gratitude or ingratitude, but about responsibility. God is great, but do not hold him accountable for your failures. He wants the best for you, but you must act and deserve those blessings. Religions and people often distort the divine message to justify their own inactivity or to minimize their responsibilities. Money comes to you because you desire it to come, not just because you are praying or asking God. Simply praying won't help you connect with money in a concrete and practical way. If you want God to be with you, love Him with all your heart, and He will be by your side. Similarly, if you respect money and truly desire it, it will also be present in your life. Individuals with a prosperous mindset understand that respect and a positive attitude toward money are fundamental. They see money as a tool to create, build, and improve their lives and the lives of those around them. They realize that money, while not the ultimate goal, is a powerful means to achieve their aims and help others. In contrast, people with a scarcity mindset often view money with disdain or see it as something distant, out of their reach. They may believe that wealth is a privilege only for others, not for them. This type of mindset creates a barrier, a cycle of scarcity that is hard to break without a change in perspective and attitude. If you surround yourself with such people, it won't take long for their beliefs and attitudes to influence your own view of the world and yourself. The life energy you possess is valuable and limited, so it's crucial to choose wisely where and with whom you invest your energy. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who believe in possibilities, and who promote creativity and innovation. People with a prosperous mindset usually have clear goals, are motivated, and relentlessly seek new knowledge and opportunities. Being close to them will not only increase your chances of financial success, but will also enrich your life in many other ways, emotionally, intellectually, and spiritually. By connecting with this type of energy, it is almost inevitable that you will begin to attract more prosperity into your life. Finally, remember, God is always by your side, waiting for you to take the initiative. Money, too, is waiting for you to adopt the right attitudes. Respect it, desire it, and work for it, and money will come. Do your part, take on your responsibilities, and watch how life can flourish with abundance in every aspect. Love God and love what you do, and everything will align in a surprising way. If you've made it this far, it shows that you are a resilient person and deserve all the prosperity this world can offer. So, comment until the end, and I will leave a heart on your message, proving your resilience. But don't leave the video yet. Here on the screen, I will leave 2 recommendations to further enrich your knowledge. So, go watch now.